Welcome back, Johnny here. I got another exciting video for you today. In today's video, I want to show you guys Crown Castle, which is a specialty REIT. It has grown 78% in the last 5 years, and 53% of analysts are saying to hold this company right now. And let's go over some of the stats. We're going to go over Robinhood, the NASDAQ dividend, and Yahoo profile, because people are always telling me, well, the stats aren't the same on Robinhood as Yahoo, and sometimes they're not always accurate. So here we go. Let's get this going. So guys, a real quick breakdown. The CEO of CCI, which is a ticker symbol for Crown Castle International Corp, or just Crown Castle, is J.A. Brown. Now, this is a real estate investment trust company, but it's a specialty REIT in the sense that it basically controls over 40,000 cell towers and over 7,000 miles of fiber optic cable line. Now, this company was founded in 1994 in Houston, Texas. It has a PE ratio right now on Robinhood of about 70 and a dividend yield of 3.40. Now, analysts are saying it's a 41% buy, and 53% are saying it's a hold. Now, you're more than welcome to pause this video and look over the buy summary and sell summaries if you'd like, but let's go ahead and move on to the earnings. Now, on this side, it's saying that the earnings is right around $1.50 per share, which is pretty amazing. It blew its estimated earnings out of the park. With only 40 cents in estimated earnings, they are actually getting $1.10 more than expected. Other popular companies here, if you're interested in CCI, that is pretty amazing. Now, the one thing I did fail to mention at the beginning is this company is now $141.08. Back 5 years ago, you could have bought this company for $80. So it's been doing nothing but increasing ever since its start. Now let's go ahead and jump over to the NASDAQ dividend history here, and they had a dividend ex-dividend date of 12/12 of this year. They're showing a 3.4% dividend yield with an annual dividend payout of $4.80, which is pretty amazing. Their payout ratio is a 71.25%, which is actually a lot higher than a lot of REITs. I noticed a lot of REITs are in the 20 to 30% payout range. Now, they are currently paying out per quarter right now $1.20, which is a significant increase from the $1.12.50 on September 12th and before that. So let's go to the Yahoo Finance. Everyone likes Yahoo Finance. I know a lot of people do, but I know I have a lot of viewers that like the Robinhood app as well. Now, this is saying in 1998 they started the company, and you could have got in on this company for $9.63 a share. Now, that is an amazing amount of appreciation over time. If you bought 100 shares of this, it would have been 10 shares of this, it would have been $90. And then 10 shares of that today, you'd be at $1,041. So it's a significant increase. And of course, more shares, the dividend payout, stuff like that also adds to that as well. So amazing company, guys. I do expect this company to continue growing through the future of 2020, and I am recording this video on 12/29/19, so this is actually going to be the last REIT video for 2019 and the first REIT video I'm doing for 2020. Now, if you guys want to know more about this company, please do your own research, and remember, guys, invest in what you know. I like to find these different companies and provide information to you guys so it can be brought to your attention, and then you can go and do further research. Now, these are just real simple little breakdowns I do. I would actually suggest that this would probably be a strong buy, in my opinion, right now. I mean, I believe the strong buy would have maybe been around here at the dip in November, around the $130 mark. But you never know. You could wait for the dip, or you can go ahead and buy in now and then average down as you go. But I believe Crown Castle is a great company to get involved with. It's a specialty REIT, so they have to pay 90% of their income in dividends to the shareholders. So real quick short video to get the new year started. I'm going to try to be more consistent with my videos. And guys, if you liked this video, please smash that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click that little bell so that you will always know when I release new content. Alright guys, have a great day.